The Anubar Flowmeter, also known as the averaging Pitot tube flowmeter, is a reliable device used to measure fluid flow in pipelines. It works by using Bernoulli's principle, capturing pressure readings across the pipe, averaging them, and calculating accurate flow rates. However, like any measuring device, the Anubar Flowmeter can experience faults. Common issues include sensor damage, unstable power supply, electromagnetic interference, and changes in fluid properties. To address these faults, recalibration and power system checks are essential. Electromagnetic interference can be minimized by using proper shielding and grounding. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning filters to prevent debris buildup, can also help keep the flowmeter in optimal condition. Preventative maintenance plays a crucial role in extending the lifespan of the flowmeter. Regular inspections, calibration checks, and mitigation of external interferences will ensure accurate measurements and prevent costly downtime.